1.1 Lift the true X-axis beams. 1.2 Disassemble the laser head and laser head backplane. 1.3 Remove the 5 screws on the left inner side. 'Remove the 5 screws on the inside of the other side. 1.4 Pull the Y-axis beam back and press it against the back frame. 1.5 Remove the 5 screws on the left side and side. 'Remove the other 5 screws on the outside. .6 Pull the Y-axis beam out and lay it flat, and unplug the air tube and plug. 1.7 Unscrew 2 screws. Take off the drag chain. Place the removed X-axis beam on a spacious desktop. Use 2 wooden blocks to prop it up. 2.1 Remove the 2 support legs 12 screws. 2.2 Remove the 6 screws from the rear beam and take the rear beam off. 2.3 Loosen the 2 screws on the coupling and remove the 2 short crossbeams. 2 positioning markers. 2 Remove the 4 screws. 2 Disconnect the control cable and remove the end cap. 2 Remove the 3 mounting screws from the motor. 2 Remove the gear and install the new synchronizer pulley. 2 Secure the motor to the new upper end cover and plug in the control wires. 2 Tighten the 4 mounting screws. 2 Remove the 6 screws and take off the end cap. 2 Replace the lower end cover, bearings, and synchronizer pulley. 2 2 fixing screws for the locking coupling. Secure the drilling fixture with 2 screws. Drill holes with a power drill. Switch to the other end for punching. Remove 2 short racks. Assemble the 2 short axles to the rear beam. Remove all screws from this row. Since there are numerous screws, it is recommended to use power tools. Install asynchronous belt. Install B-synchronous belt. First install 2 sliders. Install 2 more sliders. Lock the 4 sliders. Loosen the 2 screws on the coupling. Pull the Y-axis crossbeam to the center. Two screws for the locking coupling. .8 installing the limit block. .9 installing the laser head backplate. .10 installing the drag chain.